Hello students, today we are going to solve this simultaneous equation. Okay, so this equation we can solve using two methods. One is called substitution method and the is called elimination method. Okay, so today we are gonna solve this math using elimination method. Okay, so we can write this is equation number one and this is equation number 2. Okay, so here either we can eliminate x term or y term. Okay, so if we want to eliminate x term, the amount of x and this x has to be same. Okay, so since there is 2x and there is only 1x, so if we multiply equation number 2 by 2, it will be 2x. Okay, so whole equation 2 we have to multiply by 2. So this is multiplied by 2, it will be 2x, and this is plus this is 3y. If we multiply by 2, it will be 6y. Okay, and this is multiplied by 2, it will be 10. Now we can write this is equation number 3. Okay, so now if we subtract equation number 1 and 3, we can eliminate x term. Okay, so 1 minus 3. Okay, so 1 is this, right? 2x plus y equal 5, and 3 is this, 2x plus 6y equal 10. Okay, so we're gonna eliminate this x term, so that is why we have to subtract it. So for this reason we have to change sign. Okay, okay, so this is when I have changed this sign, that time 2x minus sign is for 2x, right? So this is minus 2x and this is plus 2x, we can cancel. And here minus 6y and here plus y, it will be minus 5y, and here this is minus 10 and this is plus 10, it will be minus 5. Okay, this minus and this minus cancel, and this is 5y equal 5. And since 5 and y multiply together, so if I want to transfer this 5 to the right side, it will be divide. So 5 by 5, it will be y equal 1. Okay, so already we got y equal 1. Now we're gonna input y equal 1 to the equation number 1 or equation number 2. Okay, so if we input equation number 1, y equal 1, so here 2x is just copy, and plus is here, this is y equal 1, we can write here, and equal 5. Okay, and this is 2x, let's copy. Okay, and this is plus 5. If I transfer to the right side 1, it will be minus 1. Okay, so then this is 2x, just copy, and 5 minus 1, it will be 4, and x is here. If I transfer 2 to the right side, it will be divide, so 4 by 2, so x equal 2. So already we got two values. One is x